Bought 2 boxes, SP Legendary Cuts. First break. Sealed. That's good. The first video will be an 8-minute video of me trying to open it. The second one will be when I actually open it. I'll just rip it. Very nice looking cards. A little messed up on the corners. Nice. Such a page. Looks nice. Mine's in the set. Don't say in the back. And 2 is the paid alright. Pretty nice, but a lot of them have a bent corner. It's pretty bad. Legendary Lineage, Lefty Gomez, number to 550. Pretty cool. George Sisler in there. Robert E. Lee. Very nice. Army officer. Second half. Big Ruth in there. This pack feels significantly heavier than the other one, so I would assume this is my game use. A guaranteed 1 in a box. Guess not. They try to trick you. Nolan Ryan. That's an excellent pull right there. You get to save money on your next order. That's amazing. This one's pretty big too. Casey Stengel. Bruce Sutter. Nice. It's old school Cardinals. The baby blue. Number? Not numbered. Not bad though. Great shape. It's not bent like the other one. Fist, Maggio, Spawn, Ratio. Early win. Got an autograph. Bob Feller. That's a pretty good pull. It's a little crooked in the camera there, but Bob Feller, number to 199. Big fan of Bob Feller. He's obviously a great player. Next card is Christy Mathewson. Hopefully you guys don't know who that is. Possibly one of the best pitchers in history, and wish that was the autograph. It's cool. Very nice. Alright. Had a couple numbered cards. Jersey of Old Bruce. And the autograph of Bob Feller, numbered 199. Beautiful. Thanks.